Hi, welcome to my humble courtyard. I went to the beach for 3 days. I found that the shell of abalone is very beautiful. So I put them into the fish tank. And this is a secret weapon I will reveal to you later. Okay, I'll show you my cooking area. The rose blossom. This is so pretty, and the dahlia flower change color. But my goji berry is eaten by kind of a pest. It's almost dying. This is the cooking area when I was little, and this is also a kitchen. And there used to be a door, window, and a roof. And here is a stove. And the first construction I made is this stone stove. I like cooking in the wild, but right now it's almost no place you can cooking in the wild because of forest fire. My inspiration for renovating this courtyard is I want to have a place I can cook as I wish. So I go to the mountain, collect the green colored rock, and I made this stove. I only used it for once. I made a 叫花鸡 beggar's chicken, and I used chicken wrapped by lotus leaf and covered with mud and put to fire, and it's not successful. So I will clean this area. Let's get to work. all these worms are eating my roses leaf. Okay, I don't know if I can make a fire because after rain it's wet. Today I'm not cooking, and I will use this pot. My grandma used it when I was little. I eat the food from this pot over 45 years ago. When my uncle gave it to me, it's too rusty, and I use the tool to polish it. And before cooking, I need to use the secret skill to protect the pot. It's this. And this is the pork skin. We use the pork skin to protect the pot. When the oil comes out, I will cover it over. When we cooking, it's very easy to get hurt. I think it's okay. I got burnt. It's not too bad. No. Use the pork fat oil polish the pot as a protection for the pot. And this is the tradition. Okay, I will leave it next time and we can cooking.